We're gonna remove this, take out the battery. Oops. I think I lost it. We are going to use a wire. Just really make sure that all of the way is cleaned out. And then just make sure that all soot, etc. is cleaned out. I'm gonna send that water down the drain. And hopefully we should be leak free. You might be able to see there is another drainage right there. Just gonna get in there and first clean out the grime. Probably shouldn't have pulled out a bit of rubber. Whoopsies. Okay, but there is a leaf in there. We don't want that. Come in here and dry it out just for kicks. Okay, I lost the bolt. Sort of a inconvenient spot. Okay, we got a little magnet. Boop. Oh yeah. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to put everything back together, starting with the battery tray? I don't know what they call that. Let's try to put these in without dropping them this time, because that seems to be my ammo. There you go. Very nice. This one.
Pull this, okay, let go of the top. Okay. Pull back on, and, nope, inside here. This? Nope. You have to, yeah, this? Nope, back. Okay, right here.
This.
Yeah.
Oh, this. Timo, does the red go to the negative or the positive? Yes. I think we put the battery in the wrong direction. Oh. Oh, that went out pretty easy.
It's broken.
What a beauty. Wow. We should have broken it sooner.